My name is Kelly Lisa, and I currently work for Fame. I am in charge of the strategic growth for new name customers. A lot of times when I'm talking to prospects, their biggest concern that they're looking to come over from another company is basically their reporting and their compliance. Usually what I hear most is they are having issues with their reporting and their compliance, and they're having issues with audits going back and forth. And of course, that's one of the things that Fame does best. I always like to refer to us as the compliance giant in the industry. So once they see all our reporting, we have over 100 reports in our Advantage system pre-installed. And if they're not pre-installed, you can create your own off of any information. So I think that's huge for schools. School owners don't wake up in the morning wondering about their software or worrying about software. They worry about their compliance and their Title IV funding and how they're going to get there and making sure everything is accurate. And having worked with many other systems in my history of my career, 32 years to be exact, I have to say that Fame always did it best.